Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. In today's video, I will be teaching you viewers how I basically bleached and dyed my bundles into this amazing honey looking blonde. I dyed my bundles with 40% bleach peroxide and True Light bleach white powder. Then afterwards, I used Cream of Nature ginger blonde and Cream of Nature honey blonde mixed together, and I applied it on the hair to dye the hair to achieve a subtle sort of ginger honeyish blonde. So afterwards, I decided to tone my hair down, so I used my Wella T18 mixed with peroxide and I applied it on my bleached wig. Then afterwards, I left it on for about an hour, washed it off. Then after I washed it and I air dried it. So viewers, this is what you get. This hair is, I would say, 70% dry. So this is 18-inch curly hair, and this is 3 bundles of Malaysian curly hair with 7x7-inch closure. As you can see, it is a very wide parting, and I made it into a wig. It's been a while since I came on YouTube to review or showcase hair, just because we've been in a pandemic and so many things have been happening, like hair vendors getting the right sort of hair, them sending bad hair batch, and trying to figure out what is going to work. So now it took me over 6 months and I am back to say the Raw Virgin Hair Boutique has amazing curly hair textures, wavy hair textures, and straight hair textures, 100% tangle free. As you can see, I do not experience any tangling. Shedding is minimum. So hope you viewers will enjoy this video tutorial of this amazing wig and also slayed it on my scalp. Stay tuned for the video tutorial.